Every so often, my trips bring me back out here to Charlotte. So we are back at the RTR Lab this week. We're gonna pop around, see how everybody's doing and what we got going on at the lab. I guess if you guys want to, you can come with.
Vibing, yeah, me and my folks all good, that sun is shining. Ay, chillin' with my feet kicked up like I ain't trying. This is what I want on summer, yeah. Gangs out here, let's run it, yeah. Vibes right here, 100, yeah. I've been on game like EA. Sippin' too soon, that pregame. Sign up on 2, that 3-way. I just went fast like we late.
Inside the lab, everybody's busy as usual. And I can't come through the lab without talking about this Focus RS. I'm gonna say it until the day I die. We need to get this thing off the lift, get it in the dirt, do some rally stuff. I mean, if we need a driver, I'll do it. So Jordan, you showing Rome how to actually build a car?
Oh yeah, 100%.
I knew so. You know, Rome, I love you, man. I love you. But I think Jordan's got you beat in the building department.
I don't know, man. He told me we need to put a 2J in here, and I was like, whoa, okay.
Oh, okay, yeah, crossing the line there, Jordan. Jesus. Oh my God, 2 Jordans don't make a right. I might have to get out of here. Rome.
Yeah.
Isn't that your brother over there?
That is. This is my little bro over there.
Oh my God.
I'm working on the beginner car.
I might have to go and harass him. Hey D, what you doing?
You know, just working on the Fox, trying to get it up and running, hopefully very soon.
Awesome.
You know?
I hear that this is going to be down and partying in no time. This Fox body, I got to say, D, has been everybody's favorite when we go out to places. Considering all the vehicles that we have, this one gets so much love, dude. Every single place that we go. And also, I want to let you know something, that even though your brother is working over there, I think you're the better, all right? Just don't tell him I said that.
I won't. I'll shut.
Over here on this lift, we have an RTR Spec 1 customer that has brought their car back into us. Now with the Spec 1, you might be saying, hey, he's got the chin and the rockers on it. That's because this customer got a Spec 1, decided they wanted to add stuff as they went. Inside, this car's got the Recaros. He's also got the RTR harnesses on it. And now it's gonna have the RTR Spec 5 wide body kit on it. I was talking to Jim, who leads up the experience department here at RTR Vehicles in the RTR Lab, and they have some awesome one-off stuff that's gonna be going on this vehicle, some cool wheel choices. But this is one of the things that I really like about RTR, and this is why I got my RTR before I worked with the company. It's because, let's say that you don't plan on tracking your vehicle, or maybe a Spec 3 isn't in your budget at the time. You can get a Spec 1. Welcome to the family. We're happy to have you, regardless of what spec you have, or maybe you're just outfitting it with RTR parts. Later down the line, you decide, I got a little bit more money, I want to have a little bit more fun. Bring it back to RTR. Bring it back here to the lab. Get it upfitted. This car here, does it have our suspension on it now? Yes, it does have our suspension on it. You can do something like the coilovers with it as well. And then like he's doing, RTR Spec 5 wide body on the S550s. And I just love the customization that you have available through Built by RTR. If you guys have any questions about that, you can go ahead and hop over to rtrvehicles.com, click on the tab and find out more. Get yourself on the schedule. Speak to 5-Star Jim. So I'm out here in the warehouse right now looking at the spring lineup that we got. We got the Ford license merch right now. So we got this since 1966 Bronco tee. This is the new House of Drift tee. I actually just got that for my kid recently. The Bronco stuff is absolutely killer. And a lot of this goes back to like some old styling of ads and stuff from Ford back in the day. RTR hoodie here, the Hot Stuff shirt, bro. Yes, I like this. And then we got stuff that's exclusive to the RTR side of things. I got 2 of these because I know that I am horrible at eating tacos and this was gonna get messed up, and it did happen, Jim. I was just wearing this recently.
Have you seen the new?
I have not seen the new.
Come on over.
Oh, hell yeah. See, we're getting exclusives today, folks. And this is all the summer line. This stuff isn't even out yet. It should be, by the time you guys see this video, it should be dropping very, very soon. We're also trying to do more of a drop style. So like where you guys heard me talk about spring and summer line. So we're making sure that we have this stuff available for you guys, but it's not gonna be around forever. Once this stuff is gone, it is gone. So make sure that you hop over to rtrvehicles.com and get yours while you still can. See, that right there is another reason why I like coming to Lab, because I get all the exclusives from Jim, and what the whoa! Okay, I gotta show you guys this. If you guys have been following our social media, and if you're watching this video, I would assume that you are, Ben Hobson was just out at Wisconsin Fest, and so was this car. This is T-Pain's one-of-one convertible RTR Spec 5D. Fox, this thing is sick, dude.
It does the job.
I remember watching this thing come together, and seeing the finished product is pretty sick. The weave on this carbon fiber is freaking amazing. Trash absolutely killed it. You know what, I gotta say, I really like the liveries on all of our cars, and I like the design. Every single one of our Spec 5Ds. Don't tell the other boys, but this one might be my favorite now.
Did you buy this in the paint, Jordan?
You know what, I think I am, Fox. Dude, every angle of this thing is unique and absolutely killer. I absolutely love it. We outdid ourselves with this one. Rome told me this might come off the truck later, and if it does, we'll try and get some footage then. But until, let's go ahead and hop out. I just showed you guys T-Pain's car, but I would be a little remiss if I didn't come back in and show you the superstar behind the build of that vehicle and that wonderful carbon fiber. What's going on, Trash? How you doing, man?
Doing well yourself, guys? Doing everybody good?
Oh man, I love T-Pain's car.
Thank you, man.
The carbon fiber that you have done has been spectacular, man. And just, you got a roof right here?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So this is going to be going on Mr. Ben Hobson's.
This is amazing. Now, did you do carbon fiber work before you came here?
No. So I was a metal worker by trade. So I did a lot of NASCAR stuff, did finish fab, hard fab, and a little bit of body hanging and stuff like that. But no, I never learned any carbon or did any like composite work till I came here. And then we kind of got handed a hard hit and had to learn it.
I like to say that I'm a genius, okay? But I gotta say, seeing what you're doing here is absolutely amazing. I can't say that I could have learned to do this having never done it before. Like, what did you do to learn it? What went into figuring out how to make this all happen?
A lot of time, a lot of failures, and a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah.
It's amazing what YouTube can do. But yeah, there's a lot of good people around too that have also been able to help give me some good guidance. So yeah, it's been a lot of work in progress and a lot of failures. It's kind of got to try and fail, and if you don't, you just got to keep on trying.
Hell yeah, man. Dude, sick work.
Thank you, sir.
You're so awesome, Trash.
Appreciate you guys.
Nate, don't run away from me. What do you got there?
A couple of our new RTR hats with logos, some topo if you're a Bronco fan.
Dude, Jim walked me out to the warehouse earlier to show me some of the cool new merch. He did not show me that.
Jim doesn't know everything I do. Toss it on?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Let's see if I'm a hat guy. What do we think?
Oh, I'm thinking you're ready for the outdoors, man. Look at you.
I'm gonna wear a straw hat moving forward for the rest of my life, and that is it.
My shoulders will be fine, and then I'll like just burn it on the
Yeah.
outer perimeter of my body.
It'd be a circle all the way around your body from what the heck.
Hey, do you guys want a free gift today? Do you want a free gift today? Hey, do you want a free gift today?
So I said one of the fun things about being at the lab is you actually get to see some of the cool stuff that isn't out yet that we're doing behind the scenes. And Alexis is working on one of those things right now. So over here on the website, if you guys have been there before, we have the dealer map. But now Alexis is setting it up so you can see the RTRs that are available in your area and reach out to the dealer and their website directly through rtrvehicles.com. Yeah, it's kind of sweet. Good job, Lexi. All right, I just saw something out the office window out here that intrigued me. We're going to go check this out.
Where that deal is.
Hey, Hayden.
Hey, Jordan.
This is a Darkhorse. So what specifically makes this vehicle kind of cool is if you've reached out to us before, you'll know that we don't do the spec enhancement to the Darkhorses. It's because they have unique front and rear fascias. So we actually do have one in here from one of our dealers where they want us to try and see what we can do. So of course it's gonna have to get new front rear fascias. We're gonna strip this one down, get everything on here, see the fit and finish, make sure that it's good before we tell everybody that we can do this. But very soon, you might be able to get your Darkhorse turned into an RTR Spec 2 or Spec 3 here at the RTR Lab. Well, another trip in the books. I'm headed to the airport on to the next location. Until then, I'll see you guys later.
Mr. Beast, jeans, Vans. Actually, doesn't wear that. The third one you did hasn't been.
Mustang week.
That's what I'm ready to see. I like the toe.
Sit on. This is the part that you cut.
Yeah.
This is the part that you cut.
Yeah.
This is the part that you cut.
Yep.